Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to find and manage sound settings on iPad Air 13 2024. To find sound settings, go to Settings app, then go to Sounds. And here I'm gonna get you through all of these settings. The first one is silent mode. When you enable it, ringtones, alerts, and system sounds will be silenced, but your iPod will still play alarms, timers, music, and audio from videos. You can also disable silent mode, so ringtones, alerts, and system sounds will be unsilenced. The next thing is the slider. You can adjust it to adjust the ringtone and alerts volume. Whenever you adjust it and release it, you'll hear a preview of how loud or how quiet it is. Then you can enable changing ringtone and alerts volume with buttons. When this option is disabled, then volume buttons here adjust the volume for media. But if you enable it, then if you are currently playing media on your iPad, like videos or music, then volume buttons will still change the media volume, but if you are not currently playing any media, then the volume buttons will adjust the ringtone and alerts volume. The next thing are these sounds. You can choose a tone for ring, text, new mail, sent mail, and alerts. To change the tone, just click on the option and then choose a tone you want to set. Whenever you click on a tone, you hear a preview. And when you choose one, just click on it, then go back, and now it's set. As you can see, ringtone is now set to illuminate. I can do with others, but let's move on to system sounds. You can enable or disable the sound of keyboard clicks, as well as lock sound. And here you can go to headphone safety, and if you have headphones connected that have audio level measurements enabled, then here you can check your headphone safety and enable headphone notifications, so you will be informed when the when the loudness of your headphones is too high. And here is personalized spatial audio, so you can adjust it if you have an iPhone and headphones. And these are all of the sound settings on iPad Air 13 2024. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.